Hey, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in today's tutorial you're going to learn how to make this fun, colorful, and whimsical topiary balloon column. Alright, let's get this party popping. Hey, it is your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer. I'm back. So we're going to make a quick topiary balloon column. I have chosen 3 different colors, and these duplets have been inflated to 10 inches. Okay, so to create the topiary, you're going to simply take the duplets, and where they've been tied, you're going to just wrap them, just like you're creating a quad. But then you're going to keep going. So I'm going to take the next set, I'm pulling it in, and I'm going to keep doing that until all 6 of my duplets are pulled in together, and it's going to give me 12 balloons. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all of my duplets now pulled in through the center, and we just want to give you a close-up of what this is going to look like. 1 second here. Okay, 3. So when you do this, the best way to know that you did it right, because you have 12 balloons here, is to count. So you should have 5 balloons going around the center. So when I turn it to the other side, it should be 5 balloons, and then the center, it gives you 6. And that's going to be your topiary. Okay? So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place this on the top of my frame. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist the bottom 2 balloons to lock it on. Promise you I can do it. Alright. And then you're going to have to adjust again. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay? This is a really simplistic column. And now I'm going to add my embellishment. So in this one, I'm going to put the number 2, like it's a second birthday party. I'm going to add some fringe going down the frame. And then, let's see, I think that's it I'm going to do today. But have fun with this. You can then add yourself some clusters, and I might do that. And then I'll come back and show you what I have. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I had these left over for another design. So instead of doing a cluster of 3 or 4, just 2. Okay, and I have one other. So I just tied either one to a flattened 260. And then I'm going to go ahead and place it in. You're just going to add a little dimension, okay? And I'm going to add one more. And I just wanted to show you that. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of fringe. These are basically curtain fringe, and I would like it to be a little bit longer, but this is something I'm using on hand. So because it's not as long as I'd like, I'm going to use 2 pieces, and I'm going to use this part here. I'm going to tie it on. Then I'm going to put that piece on, and it's going to conceal that, and it's going to give me the length I like. So what I have here is a flattened 260, and it's tied to hold it together, because this was I had cut this, so I tied it. So I folded my curtain fringe in half so I can get 2 uses out of it. So what I did is I tied it before I cut it, so that I can get, again, 2 pieces out of 1. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that excess off once I'm finished. And then I'm going to take the other piece, and that's going to conceal that, okay? And I'm going to pull this up into the balloon, twist it in, and then cut my excess. Okay, I just completed this fun, colorful, and whimsical balloon topiary column. It's easier than you think. It's great for any budget-conscious clients. And it does add a lot of whimsy. You can do so many things with regard to the embellishments. So have fun with it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Hit that like button, consider subscribing, and remember, you are the designer. Happy decorating. Bye, y'all.